Today we have a lot of animals. Let's learn their names. The first one is a rabbit. This is a rabbit. The next one is a sheep. This is a sheep. A sheep. The next animal is a hen. This is a hen. A hen is a farm animal. The next one is a panda. A panda is a bird animal. The next one is a camel. This is a camel. A camel is a farm animal. The next animal is a duck. This is a duck. A duck is a farm animal. The next animal is a rooster. This is a rooster. The next one is a leopard. This is a leopard. The next animal is